Wow, you are welcome to MATHL.J, and we have determined the value of this expression by simplifying it. In other words, according to you, what could be the response, rather the solution to this question. The majority of the students would fail it. Let us see. As we have the 4 divided by the half, or 1 out of 2, multiplied by 8. One can try by getting this, which is a half multiplied by 8, whereby if we divide by 2, we get 1. Then by 2, we get the 4. Then at the next step, we have now the 4 divided by the 1 multiplied by 4 to get 4. And 4 divided by 4 to get a 1. But guess what? This answer is completely wrong. So let us now have the correct approach of working out this question correctly. So as we have the 4 being divided by 1 out of 2, or a half, multiplied by 8, in here we are going to fall body mass, whereby the B stands for the brackets, O stands for of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, S stands for addition, and lastly S for subtraction. Now in here the order of preference is like this. So it decreases downwards, meaning that the first priority is given to the brackets in case in the expression we have the brackets. But as we check, in the expression we don't have the brackets, so we leave this out. Then we go to of. In the expression we don't have of, we leave it out. What about division? So for division we have, because this is the division symbol. So now what we are going to do, we are going to deal with these ones first, these two, implying that we are getting the 4 being divided by the half. And 4 divided by a half is same as having the 4. If I change this division sign to multiplication, then simply I'm going to get the reciprocal of a half, which is same as 2 divided by 1. Then multiplied by this remaining 8. So having gotten the reciprocal of that, in here the next step, it means that we are getting the 4 multiplied by 2, which gives us the 8. Then multiplied by this other 8. And if I compute this, simply I'm getting the result to be 64. What does it imply? It implies that for del4, our expression, which is the 4 being divided by a half, then multiplied by 8, simply equals to the 64. So now this one becomes our correct response to this question, but not 1, as the majority of the students would fail. Thanks for watching. Endeavor to subscribe to the channel MATHL.J for more videos of the kind. See you again. Goodbye.